Hey, this is Henry Carter. I'm so excited. We're at our newest house, 503 Elberon Court in lovely Lavergne, Tennessee. It's a big 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a garden tub that even has a working whirlpool. It's got a garage. It's on the end of a cul-de-sac. It's got all new Samsung appliances. And hardwood floors. You're gonna love this house. Again, I'm Henry Carter with Carter Rent to Own, www.carterrenttoown.com. It's my privilege to show you this house. All right, here I am at 503 Elberon Court. And I'll start with one of the prettiest things. It's got real, I believe that's oak stairs, and we're gonna restain. We're about to do that right now. We're going to restain and do the polyurethane. Everything else is done on this house. Got a very open floor plan. We're looking at the living room now. Got brand new hardwood laminate. Got a tall vaulted ceiling. We've got, oh, let me show you these blinds. These, I don't have anybody to take my movie. I'm happy to do it myself. These aren't regular blinds. Right here. These are regular blinds that you have to use a string on. These, they work that way. Is that not cool? And there's big plantation blinds. So we've got these type of blinds in every single window except the first one I went to. So that is really cool. You don't have to use the strings. The living room's a good size, plenty of room to put a big screen TV. You put decorating stuff up there to try to keep the kids from running and playing there. Let me take you into the dining room. Again, all this flooring is brand new. Just put that in over the weekend. Then we've got in the kitchen, ceramic tile, very hardy, don't have to worry about that. And look at these new appliances, Samsung. They all match. Got the microwave, stove, the stove's convection, or conduction rather, the super duper dishwasher, and the refrigerator. So this kitchen is really decked out, and then it's got a nice pantry closet there. Okay, I'm gonna take you back around. We're looking at the dining area now, washer dryer back there, the garage is where I'm pointing, and then there's another pantry with the new hot water heater there. It's kind of raining outside, so I'm going to show you the back deck. It's been freshly stained, and it's a wonderful backyard. Well, let me go on out here. It's a wonderful backyard, needs mowing, but it goes way on back. That door goes to the bedroom, so that's another cool thing about this house. Now I'm going to have to take my shoes off so that I don't mess up the floor. The bedroom connects directly to the back deck. So let me just walk on around and show you the rest of the stuff. Washer dryer connections, and that's on ceramic tile, so if you get it wet, no problem at all. Big old nice garage with a automatic door opener. Floor is freshly painted. You can eat off that floor. And you got a large utility closet there with the dishwasher. Who am I? Again, I'm Henry Carter with Carter Rent to Own. It's my job to get you the home of your dreams because I've got the job of my dreams, and I'm trying to help everybody make their dreams come true. So let me walk you on through. That's the master bedroom I told you about. Nice hardwood floors, big old walk-in closet. And the really cool thing is you open the door directly to your back deck. So you just go out there and sit on your back deck for coffee. Is that not too cool? I mean, this may be the only house I have that has a door in the bedroom that opens directly to the back deck. Okay, again, this room has vaulted ceilings, has ceiling fans. It is nice, nice, nice. Obviously, central heat and air. Now we're in the downstairs bathroom that opens from the bedroom and also the hallway. I left water in the bathtub so you could see that the water jets work. Every time I see water jets, I think of that movie Scarface with Al Pacino when he's in the bathtub talking on the old-fashioned telephones that used to be wireless that nobody has anymore. Okay, what else can I show you? We're going to move right on. We're going to go upstairs. You've seen one bedroom, you've seen the kitchen, you've seen the dining area, you've seen the lovely living room, you've seen the really nice stairs. So we're going to go upstairs and look at that. 503 Elberon Court, Henry Carter, 615-202-5228. Wood floors, bedroom number 2. Show you all the way around. And then we go to pantry. Boy, this house has lots of storage. Bathroom number 2, everything's nice. Got ceramic tile there. Bedroom number 3, looks good, smells good. It even has these, well, it's got the older blinds there. So, let me slow it down a little bit. My name is Henry Carter with Carter Rent to Own. That's what we do. We do rent to, I want to sit down, I'm tired. We do rent to own houses. We help people get the home of their dreams. Do it now. Do it for your family. Do it for your children. Do it as a legacy so you can leave something. Quit renting. Rent's just going to keep going up. Everybody knows that. This house, if I was renting it now, it would rent for a lot more than it would a few years ago. And a few years from now, it would go for a lot more. So give me a call at 615-202-5228 or go to our website, www.carterrenttoown.com. If this house is gone, we'll have others. This is what we do. We've been doing it for over 30 years. God bless America and God bless your family. And thanks for watching this video. 503 Elberon Court.